Hey everyone, Hash here from hashtag. Now I came with a piece of new information regarding the Huawei P40 series. According to the CEO of the Huawei Richard, Huawei P40 series will come with the upgrades over P30 series, including the new design, improved camera technologies, better performance, and the hardware specs. That's going to be cool, I think, because even Mate 30 had a different design compared to other Mate series. Further, he also mentioned P40 will use Android 10 based EMUI 10 and not the self-developed operating system HARMONYOS, but holding HMS to provide necessary services and pre-installed applications. Google Mobile service is blocked because of the US ban, we all know that. Also, it will launch in March 2020. The successor of the Huawei P30 Pro should first come with a 5500 mAh graphene battery that is 30% smaller than lithium battery which we see in most phones. Besides, the smartphone could take advantage of the new 50-watt fast charging technology developed by Huawei, also powered by Kirin 990 SoC with a 5G modem. Earlier I told you Huawei P40 appears to feature a curved waterfall screen very similar to the one we find on the Huawei Mate 30 Pro, although less prominent. Moreover, a typical volume rocker and power button configuration on the right side of the headset. According to rumors, the P40 series will adopt a large 6.5-inch AMOLED screen with a dual punch hole design, which will feature a refresh rate of 120Hz and 2K plus resolution, also support HDR content. On the back, the BOM will probably contain 4 sensors. Let me know your thoughts about the Huawei P40 series in the comment box. I will see you all tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates about the Huawei P40 Pro and the other devices in the coming days. And also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thanks for watching it. Namaskar from hashtag.